Right. Now then, I wonder, have you got your phones? Everybody got your phone? Can you get your phone out for a second? Get your phone out. Can you concentrate on me for a second? Concentrate on me. If you get it, like, make it nice and big. And then I want you to QR this. Have you got your phones out? Have you got it? That's the QR code for all the different social medias, for the YouTube and everything. Have you got it? Have you got it? Good. The other thing I'm disappointed with you all. Not one of you, well actually just one of you, has followed me on social media. You see, that's the reaction I wanted, because this is the moment to network. This is the moment to network. What you should have all done is come little cards with your little QR code in, so you can give it to everybody, say this is me, this is my music, come and join me, come and join me. So, my name is Mal Pope, Mal Pope. If you look at me on social media, I want you to follow me today, because you never know where that might lead. Okay, are the cameras rolling? The cameras are rolling. QR code. Welcome back to our skills competition. Woo! Our next band come from Blaenau Gwent, from the Learning Zone. Powder was formed 6 months ago as a new project within college, as a collaboration of students who have different tastes of music and playing styles, but to delve into the mod scene with a clear interest of the late 80s and into the 90s mod scene. Since working on material of the genre, they've developed their own sound. They've developed an ability to transform their music to become one of the best bands that the style has to offer. Sounds good? Ladies and gentlemen, Powder!
Bryn da pawb. We are Powder. Diolch am cael ni. We're going to do a few songs for you today. This is I Want to Be Adored.
song. It's talking it out by Shea Taylor.
I could say one thing and you would say three, just to be different naturally. I could be talking while you just shout anything from your mouth just to drown me out. I could be tired but you wanna go out, though nothing is open, go figure it out. I could stay private but you want the fame, level-headed judges put to play you insane. These streets feel different to me. To talk of the town, to talk of the town. Word is spreading around. We're the talk of the town. To talk of the town. If I was cremated, you turn in your grave. If I stood still, you start a Mexican wave. If I said yesterday, you say today. Psychiatric doctors would lock you away. These streets feel different to me. To talk of the town. To talk of the town. Word is spreading around. We're the talk of the town. Bring back the romance to these streets. I left the moment open. I lost all my momentum. Seems easier to let things be. Let things be. To talk of the town. 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 Word is spreading around. We're the talk of the town. Talk of the town.
Next song, we're going to go to song by Cystadleuaeth. Ah!
Alty double
of the road. Where the riverboat swam beneath the sun is where the river runs red.
Alty double. That's my trouble. Thank you. Joke and very own.
Ladies and gentlemen, Sgiliau for powder. Okay, sounded great. I mean, so many different bands, two male vocalists, a different lineup again. Let's go to the judges. Let's go to Sam. Sam, reaction please to Powder.
Yo, that was really, really cool. Really, I was enjoying the kind of Cobain versus Gallagher vibes. Awesome lead guitar playing, cool song choices. That was nice and tight. Well done, guys. Smashed it.
Fantastic. On to Brooke Fox.
Yeah, guys, amazing. Definitely nailing the Britpop vibes without trying to be Oasis, which is really refreshing. Really loved the tambourine as well. It complemented all of the rhythm really nicely. And you're really tight as a band, guys. Well done.
Fantastic. And finally, Simon Kilshaw.
Yeah, I agree, Brooke. That's the best tambourine playing we've heard today.
It is the only tambourine player we've had.
So far. Great choice of songs. Again, songs from my youth. Love starting with Stone Roses, Ocean Colour Scene, what a track. You nailed that. That's your standout track. You grew in there. You got better and better as that performance went on. You're like a little battery full of energy, you two. I thought it was really, really impressive. Well done. Well done.
Fantastic. Just a quick chat. So is this band going to carry on going together?
Yeah, of course. Well, hopefully, but we don't know at the moment.
What about, are you writing your own material as well?
Yeah, we kind of are, but we're kind of lazy at the same time, to be honest with you. So we never get around to doing it.
Okay, well, let's this be a kick up the bottom, as we say, because we are being filmed. Ladies and gentlemen, Powder! Thank you very much, Powder.